actually this is just a regular scorpion. Generally I use about 3, occasionally from both, medial to lateral and then lateral to medial, having essentially the middle of the fiber wire base of the ACL with 2 strands coming out. I like using more fixation in the actual ACL itself, and then I'm able to tie the 2 strands over a bone bridge at Brie. I then use the tightrope with an internal brace. Pulling that in can be a little drill into the most anterior part of the ACL and the tibia, so as to not get it into the guide wire. I drill this all the way through past the suture of the suture that was passed through the itself. Here, as I'm pulling tension on the ACL, we have nice tension on it. It pulls it directly to the wall, pulling the internal in, and make sure we check range of motion afterwards.